Why is the Iran War being described as largely fought in the air? The answer reveals a modern battlefield where control of the skies means domination and survival. You'll discover why ground battles took a backseat to aerial warfare. Air superiority became the defining feature of the Iran War. Both sides focused heavily on controlling the skies because it allowed them to strike deep into enemy territory and disrupt supply lines. Unlike traditional wars with massive ground engagements, this conflict saw air forces launch precise missile attacks and drone strikes to weaken opponents. The aerial dominance limited the effectiveness of ground troops, making the war something fought above rather than on the battlefield. One of the most surprising aspects was how drones transformed the war. These unmanned aircraft conducted surveillance and launched attacks without risking pilots. This technology allowed for continuous monitoring and quick strikes on important targets. Drones offered a new level of flexibility and stealth, making aerial combat the preferred method over traditional infantry clashes. The high-tech approach redefined how wars could be fought in the 21st century. Missiles played a huge role in the air-focused conflict. Both sides launched long-range missile strikes against military bases, fuel depots, and communication hubs. Iran invested heavily in air defense systems to intercept these attacks, but the rapid pace and precision of missile launches often overwhelmed these defenses. This constant missile threat kept ground forces limited and forced the war to be fought primarily through aerial means. The Iran War being largely fought in the air highlights a shift in modern warfare towards technology-driven battles above the ground. Air superiority, drones, and missiles turned the skies into the main battleground, reshaping how conflicts unfold. If you want to keep unlocking surprising answers about today's wars and beyond, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.